mothers are very respected, but that doesn't mean all of us have perfect mothers. That doesn't mean anything. So yeah, it's okay. From now on, like there were times where I could not eat in her care. Yes, when I was in Ethiopia, she'd take me one time to go eat every single day to a restaurant. I would eat one time a day.
Before not one, hold on, Daisy. Let me just explain the one before you said.
Yeah.
Okay. I know እናቴ ናት እና አስሬ ሰው እናትሽ ናት እያለ ያው እንትን እያለ ስለሆነ it doesn't mean እናት ስለሆነች ማለት ልክ ናት ሁሉም ነገር የምታደርገው ማለት አይደለም። ለምን ሰው እናትም አባትም ጥፋት ያጠፋሉ። no one's perfect አይደሉም። ደግሞ እናት አባት ሲባል እግዚአብሔር አይደሉም። እነሱም ሰው ናቸው እና ጥፋት ያጠፋሉ። ደግሞ የሁሉም እናትም በአንድ ላይ እንትን ማረቃችሁ የእናንተ እናት አሪፍ ስለሆነች የሌላ ሰው እናት አሪፍ ናት ማለት አይደለም። ሌላ ምንድነው ያለችው? ኦኬ አሁን ደግሞ ልነግራችሁ ነው ስለ ምግብ። አይ ቲንክ የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ምግብ በደንብ አትበላም ወይም የላትም የሚል እንትን ወሬ ተወርቶ ነበርና እሱን አሁን ልታስረዳችሁ ነው። ኦኬ go on.
Yeah, there were times where I would cry to my mom and I would like I basically sometimes I wait all day for her to come back home just so that I can go out to eat. And I'm trying not to cry. Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys used to go sometimes to the restaurant, but obviously there was times that you basically couldn't get food because she was out and then you was alone, right? Okay, let me just explain. So until then you can collect yourself. It's okay, Daisy, okay? I'm here. ምትለው ያለችው ስለ ምግቡ ምናምን ወሬ ተወራው ኢትዮጵያ ያሉ ያው ቀደም እንደነገርኳችሁ ስትወጣ ምናምን ሰው ስለሚረብሻት ምናምን ጫንቋት ነበር። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ቋንቋ በደንብ ፉል ያማርኛ ስለማትችል ያው ትንሽ ስትረስ ይዟት ነበር ጋይስ። እና የዛን እናቷ ጋር አንዳንዴ ሬስቶራንት ይሄዱ ነበር በቀን ማለት ነው። ግን እናቷ ደግሞ አንዳንዴ ስትወጣ የሩም የተከራዩት የአብሮ የነበረው ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ እንትን የለውም ኪችን ምናምን እና ያው ስትወጣ እናቷ ጋር ብቻ ነበር ምግብ የምትበላው። እናቷ ስትሄድ ደግሞ ውጪ ውላ ምናምን ስትመጣ ዴዚ አትበላም። ወጣ ሄዳ ምግብ እንዳታዝ ያው ጨንቋታል። ቋንቋን በደንብ አትችልም። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ ፈርታ ነበረ ሰው እንትን አታክ ምናምን እንዳያረጓት ጋይስ። ለዛ ነው ምግብ አንዴ ስትበላይ ነበረው። እናቷ ስትመጣ ብቻ ነበር የምትበላው ምግብ እና ለዛ ነው አሁን ትንሽ የሆነችው የተረበሸችው ጋይስ። So remember ነገርኳችሁ ምግብ አንዳንዴ ነው አንዴ ብቻ የምትበላው። እናትየው ከወጣች ምግብ የላትም ቤት ውስጥ ኪችንም የለም ኩክ የምታደርግበትም የለም ምን የለም። ወጣ እንዳትገዛ ምግብ ደግሞ እንዳልኳችሁ ልጆች ወይም ሰዎች ይረብሿታል። I think ፈርታ ነበር ምግብ ሄዶ ለማዘዝም ለብቻዋ። ይሄን ምነግራችሁም ስለወራኋት ነው ጋይስ። አትቺ ምናምን ኮሜንት ላይ በእንግሊዘኛ ምጽፉት አማርኛ ምጽፉት by the way እኔ አማርኛ ማንበብ አልችልም so don't waste your time.
Okay. I don't know, it's just I don't know, there was so much that I wanted to say.
Just to be thinking sure, right? You said you guys had one room that you was renting.
Yes,
and there was
we were
no kitchen, so you couldn't even make food or anything, right?
No, we didn't. Like my mom was having her personal problems with other people.
I didn't mention that, but I just said that when you wanted food, you couldn't make food and cook because there was no kitchen. It was just a room that you rented. And then obviously you did eat food, but it was only if your mom was at home. If you guys went to restaurant, there would be times that you guys went to restaurant. But obviously
there would just be times where I have to wait for her
until she come back.
All day. Her coming back to hang out with her new boyfriend or something. Like there would be times where like I have to wait for her to come home so that I can eat.
Okay, so ምን አለች ጠየቅኳት እንዳልሳሳት ምንድን ምግብ ምናምን መስራታችሁም ነበር አይደለ እንትን ኪችን ምናምን የለም ስላት ነው የለም አለች። እና በቀን አንዳንዴ ግን አብራችሁ ሬስቶራንት ሄዳላችሁ ትወስድሻለች አይደል ስላት አዎ እንሄዳለን ግን አንዳንዴ ደግሞ አዲስ ፍቅረኛ ወይም ቦይፍሬንድ ነበራት አትንከ እናትየው ሄዳውላ ምናምን እስከምትመጣ ድረስ እንትን አትበላም። So what time was it that she comes back then to the house?
I don't know, it depends. Like roughly. Sometimes she would be home, other times like I would wake up and she's not there.
Okay, don't get upset. It's alright. Don't get upset, babe. ምናለች በቃ ወታ ሰዓቱን አላቆም በርግጥ ገምቼ አልኳት ግን ሰዓቱን በደንብ አላቆም በቃ ሄዳ ውላ ስትመጣ ነው የምበላው አለች አንዳንዴ ደግሞ ጭራሽ ስነሳ ከእንቅልፌ ሁላ ቤት የለችም Okay, I told them.
Like at the, I can't.
Okay, just take your time. Don't get upset. So ግን ለምንድን ነው ኮሜንት ላይ ውሸታም ምናምን የምትሉት? Like ልጅቷ የራሷ ታሪክ ነው እንዴ ነው ቁጭ ብላችሁ ጃጅ የምታረጉት ውሸታም ያላችሁ?
Okay, so yeah, and it was just stressful, like all of the social media things, like I would sit there and cry to my mom.
Daisy, don't get upset. Don't cry. It's okay.
No, I would sit there and cry to my mom and tell her that social media is stressing me out. And how like sometimes like I didn't even want to go in public anywhere.
Yeah.
By the way, like we always walked on foot, so imagine like I don't even have the privacy from people.
Yeah.
Like I was just stressed out and she told me no, Sira no. Just she told me just, you know, she ignored my feelings and she still wanted me to do social media. So this is why I left. It's not because of Alex. Alex idolin. It was stressing me out so much. There are times that I can't eat, the times that I wanted to eat. And on top of that, the things she says to me, it's hurtful for a child. Okay. Like people don't understand that. Like
I know. They don't.
I'm not trying to blame Habesha's. Like I'm not saying that, but like you guys are so like judgmental to your children. Like you never listen to anything, and everyone's sitting here judging me. But
Daisy, these people don't pay your rent. Let me tell you one thing, okay? They don't pay your rent. You don't know these people from nowhere. So don't sit here and cry and get upset, okay? You're going to just, like I told you earlier, you're going to say what you got to say and explain and express your feelings. If those people don't listen, that's their business, Daisy. Just ignore them, okay? So we're just going to explain and you're going to say what you want to say and I'm going to try to help you and explain to them. If they get it, they get it. If they don't, it's not like just who cares? You don't know these people. There will be people that's going to support you. You're going to have people that are going to be understanding and they're going to support you. Some of the people they know. Okay?
yeah.
Let me tell them, okay. ያለችው እኔን ልታዳምጠኝ አልቻለችም አለች. Okay, go on. I just told them that when you told your mom few times or however times that you don't want to do this anymore, that your mom told you it's kind of like a job or a business, whatever she told you. She basically ignored your feelings.
Yeah, so Draco, get out of my face.
He knows you're crying, that's why he's trying to comfort you. Aww. It's so cute. You know, dogs can sense when someone's upset.
So I want, like, it sucks that my mom had to come to social media just because I wanted to leave out of my situation. And she put 100% of the blame on Alex, and it has nothing to do with Alex. At the end of the day, no matter what you guys say, like, my love life is my love life. None of you guys can control who I want to love, but in this situation, he has nothing to do with it. So you guys can stop telling him bad things. You guys, he's like 21. Like, you guys are judging a boy that you've never met before, and that's very bad. You know, like, it's not okay. Like, at the end of the day, my mom, you know, I'm too, like, stressed out to even explain myself.
Okay, let me tell them. Guys, ሁሉንም ትዝ አይለኝም። እሺ ይቅርታ ከአንዳንዱን እንትን ከረሳሁት ያለችው ምንድነው አሌክስ ምንም እንትን ምንድን ልበላችሁ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም የሁሉ የተጣሉት እሷና እናቷ ኦሬዲ እናቴ ይሄን ችግር አይመጣም ነበር ራሷ ናት እናቴ መታ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ራሷ ስትጀምረው ያው ይሄ እንትን ማውራት የጀመሩት ስለ ችግራቸው ማለት ነው እንጂ ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። አሌክስን አትበይስ፣ አትሳደቡ። አሌክስን እንትን ሌላ እንደ ልበል ወይኔ እግዚአብሔር ይርዳኝ። በቃ ልጁን አታጨናንቁት። እሱ አይደለም የእሷና የእናቷ ችግር ነው። it's nothing to do ስለ አሌክስ አይደለም። ይሄ ደግሞ አሌክስን ብትፈልግ ማንን አሌክስ ብቻ ሳይሆን የፈለገችው ወንድ ብትፈልግ የራሷ ቾይስ ነው። ኦልሬዲ 20 ዓመቷ ነው። እሺ እሱም ገና ልጅ ነው አለቻችሁ። እሱ ገናም 21 ዓመት ልጅ ነው። እየሄዳችሁ የምትሰድቡት እሱ ምንም አላረገም። Okay, Daisy, you commenting about it's nothing to do with Alex. Obviously they're gonna say, oh, why did he disrespect your mom, or why did he say something, right? So do you want to explain a little bit on that one?
Like my mom, as soon as I left the toxic household, I guess she just thought, okay, like, why? I know a lot of people, they were saying, okay, why did she wait 20 years then to leave?
No, I mean the part, let's clear that one and then you can go to this one. They're going to say, why did Alex basically speak to her mom or said something bad or whatever? So do you want to say why he or who started it?
I was telling Alex about my abuse.
Okay.
And it's not like he disrespected her first and came at her first or anything. My mom started harassing him first, and Alex acted on reactions. Like, imagine a girl, like, as soon as your girlfriend leaves the toxic household, like, her mom starts harassing you. She reports you to the embassy. She's telling people that you kidnapped her. She's saying a whole lot of nothing. Alex acted on nothing but reactions. He was defending himself. Not once did Alex's family disrespect me, and I wish my mom cared about me that much to respect him and his family. I mean, wendlage, wendno and aswasitnish. Respect is respect. Respect is earned, and that's something that you guys don't understand. But
okay, let me tell them.
He's very respectful, even to his family. His family is so respectful. I mean, my mom is just. I don't know. I don't know.
Let me tell
I don't
you.
know.
አሌክስ እና እነሱ ሜቢ ጠይቁሽ ይሆናል ሰዎቹ። ታዲያ አሌክስ ለምንድን ነው እናትሽ ነው የተናገረው ይላሉ ስላት፣ አሌክስ አልተናገራትም መጀመሪያ እናቴን። የዛኔ ጭንቀቱ ምንም ሲኖራት እና አብሴት ስትሆን ምንድነው አብሴት? ይቅርታ ጋይስ እንግሊዘኛ ይቀላቀልኩኝ ነው። በቃ ልጅቷ ሲጨንቃት ዴይዚ ማለት ነው ለጓደኛዋና ለሱ እየደወለች ነግራቸው ነበረ። ያው ሁሉም ሰው ችግር ላይ ስትሆኑ ምንም ሰው ወደ ፋሚሊ ወይም ወደ ፍሬንድ ነው የሚደውለው አይደል? ስለዚህ እንደዛ ነው ያደረገችው። ከዛ ግን አይ ቲንክ እሱ ሲያወራት ምናምን እናትየው ታውቅ ነበረና የሆነ ሰዓት ላይ ሁላ ኤምባሲ ላይ ሪፖርት አድርጓለች። ምንም ሳያረጋት እየደወለች ኤምባሲ ላይ ምናምን ሪፖርት አድርጋው ነበር አዲስ አበባ አይ ቲንክ። ከወጣች በኋላም ስለሚያወሩ ታቅ እሷ ነበረች እንትን የምትለው ይሄ ስልኳ ላይ የገባች ምናምን ቁጥሩን ወስዳ ወይም ሰድዋለች መስለኝ ልጁ። እሷ ደግሞ ምንድነው የምትለው ያለችው ኦብቪየስሊ ተናደው ስለነበረ በብስጭት ተናገራት እንጂ እሱ ተሳድቧት ምናምን አያውቅም ነው የምትለው ያለችው። በዛ ላይ ደግሞ እሱ በስነ ስርዓት ያደገ ልጅ ነው። ፋሚሊዎቹ ምናምን ሁሉም ሪስፔክት ያላቸው ሰዎች ናቸው ነው ያለችው ጋይስ። እናትየው ግን ምንም አይጨንቃትም፣ ልጁን አትወደውም። አሌክስ ግን ሪስፔክት ያለው ልጅ ነው። ፋሚሊዎቹም ሪስፔክትፉል ናቸው።